Hello again, here we go with another practice. As usual, the best starting point in this case will be this point. So now we have the first circle of 35 millimeters diameter and the second one is of 50 millimeters diameter. So hit Ctrl A and clear the screen. Sketch a circle, and this should be 35 and the other one should be 50. Now we have another two circles here. The first diameter is 20 and 30. So this one is 20 and this one is 30. And now these should be horizontal and the distance between them is 80. Here we have a tangent arc and the radius is 166. So you can draw an arc, 3-point arc here. Select this circle and select this one and then drag it here. Set this to 166 and set these to be tangent and these to be tangent. So now we have this arc and it's the same as this one. So let's sketch it but using another way. So select perimeter circle and make sure to start your tangency here, not here, because you can tell here like our tangency starts somewhere here and it starts somewhere here. So you need to pick a close location. So this one is good and then this one is good. Make sure not to move the mouse, just click the third click now. If you move the mouse, I'll show you what will happen now. So pick it again. Now this is my first tangent. The second one, now when you move the mouse, you will have many different options and it will be hard to locate the tangency as you want. So for me, I prefer to do it this way. Start here, then select your second tangency, somewhere here. Then without moving the mouse, just click the third click and place the circle. Now trim this part and select this and make equal. Now we need to draw this part. So we have a center line and the length is 70. So start a center line here. Set the length. And now we need to define the angle. So the angle here is 35. So draw a vertical center line and then set the angle between them to 35. Now everything is ready, just we need to make these horizontal. Now we have this polygon. As you can see, since we have this distance, you should think about making a circumscribed circle polygon. So let's see this. Select polygon, number of sides is 6, and this time select circumscribed circle. Start here and draw something like this. The reason why we chose this type, the circumscribed, because now we can simply just set a diameter for this circle, like here. But let me show you the other case. If you select inscribed circle, it's not wrong, but this time you will need to define a distance between this point and this point. So I prefer to set a diameter, not a distance. That's why I choose circumscribed circle and then draw this and give this circle a diameter of 20. And we need another relation here. As you can see, this line is perpendicular with this line. So select this line and then set them to perpendicular. We have a fully defined sketch until now. The diameter of this circle is 35. So we need to draw a circle of 35 millimeters diameter. And finally, we need to place some arcs here. So the radius is 50. So I'll pick this circle. We said the radius is 50, yes. And here. And then trim this part and set this to 50. As you can see, we have this part, so just trim it now. And you can use the 3-point arc. You can select this circle and select this one, and then you can define the tangency, and finally make them equal. Hide the dimensions. You can also show the relations here, like we have the view sketch relations, so you can tell which relations you have. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next exercise.